On this week's video on Project GR86, I will be installing a Perrin shifter bushing. Included in the box, you will get your two 5 horsepower stickers. You get the lithium grease, the new hardware, looks like 2 bolts with 2 washers, and the new beefier bushing. The first step will be to remove the 2 14mm axle bolts here that hold it up, just to get it to drop down so we can get to the bushing. Well guys, it looks like with the new exhaust it's kind of screwed us. Can't get the damn wrench in there now. Let's see what we're gonna have to do here now. Didn't want to drop the exhaust. So what I had to do here is use a ratchet wrench. These are not all that tight. I don't think it's a lot of foot-pounds to hold this guy on. Right up here is an 11mm on this side. There's an 11mm, not sure what all you can see, over here by the yellow tab. Over here there's an 11mm here. And then supposedly it just pushes off. Pulling it down might have been, oh, it is easy. I've got it pushed off and then it just fell down. Very easy to get this bad boy off. Well, it was in there like this and I just pushed back. You can see all the grease that's on it. So it was very easy to push out. You just pull it down, pushed out. As you can see, it flopped out on me. The OEM bushing, as you can see, it's very small and dainty. Not much to it. The aftermarket bushing is very beefy. You'll take your included lithium grease, just stick it in the center here. Put a lot of grease through both ends. This V shape here goes up and it's going to go on like this, lining this flat spot up here with the flat spot that's up in the channel here. To be able to get this bushing up in here and to be able to push it on, you do have to loosen the front catback exhaust or take it fully undone, because it will not drop this down low enough with an aftermarket exhaust. So I was able to get it on very easily after doing that. Now I'll just put my bolts here in and tighten them down. With the new included bolts that you're tightening this down with, they are now a 14mm. Not very easy to tighten. It wasn't as easy as the other one came off. You need an extension, or I had to use this extension here with a wobble or a bender thing on the end. The longest extension I had, and it took a lot of holding the end here of the socket and moving the other hand on the ratchet, going back and forth on both of these, and they just tighten down to as tight as they go. Don't over muscle them. And then I will have to put back together my exhaust here, bolt this guy back up. It's more of a precision shift now, I've noticed, and you can also feel the vibrations more in the knob now. or in the shifter itself. I would like to thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Have a great week.